Vegan firepower.
Alrighty, this is on Gizmodo. Okay. Turns out researchers have known since the 1980s that cheese actually contains a small amount of morphine. Very same drug given in hospitals as hardcore pain relief. I'm going to skip down. Not only that, but milk also contains the protein casein, which provokes similar effect to opiates, which when it's turned into cheese due to the casomorphins being greater concentrated. It's been previously described as dairy crack. So that's on gizmodo.com. Why is cheese like dairy crack? Now, what I found a little troubling was this. 1 pound of cheese requires 10 pounds of milk to make 1 pound of cheese. So let's consider that. We have 10 gallons of milk that contains the casomorphin opioid that brings a calf back to the mother to continually nurse to grow it within 2 months or so to a full 600-pound calf. 10 gallons of concentrate opioid to make 1 pound of cheese. You are addicted. That's why the commercials are everywhere. Cheese stuffed crust, cheese on cheese, everything. But we have a solution. Right there. Just type that into Google. Vegan cheese brands, great alternative. I think in 2016 especially, it is currently easier than ever to go vegan. And it's important to. So, here's the vegan cheese brands. Daya. There's all sorts of stuff. Really? Why? Can't give up cheese? Don't. Gotta have a hamburger? Then eat one. We have them. They have the Beast Burger. Gardein brand has their own Ultimate Burger. And again, these cheeses here, Gardein as well. And I think Beyond Beef makes not only beef crumble, but for tacos, but they as well make a type of faux fish, and as well they make chickenless chicken. I've tried all that stuff. All of it's great. So, go vegan.